LD-Tecnology. Medical products. Physiologic data from the homeostasis process, internal environment, and main regulatory mechanisms. Because, in office, the practitioner need to have non-invasive tools for patient quick investigation, 5 minutes time, easy to use, and results immediately available. About physiologic data such the inflammatory process, SpO2%, autonomic nervous system activity, lifestyle indicators from the body composition, and hemodynamic indicators from the spectrophotometry and bioimpedance technologies. And to understand the patient clinical context, signs and symptoms, from the homeostasis process, because disease or death is often the result of dysfunction of internal environment and regulatory mechanisms. Understanding the body's processes, responses and functions is clearly fundamental to the intelligent practice of medicine. Because the practitioner need to save time, the calculations performed by the computer are 1,000 times quicker than the human brain. The computer can perform 50,000 operations each second. Nowadays practitioners are in the same position as were accountants before the adding machine. Because the therapeutic follow-up is necessary. At present, the treatment plans made by doctors rely on predictions based on statistical averages. As the possibilities of treating diseases improve, it is important to choose the right treatment for each individual patient, and have an easy understanding interface to explain to the patient the goal of the treatment. Today, a doctor may be able to test how the planned treatment would affect a patient, and to increase the patient compliance. Signal processing analysis for the spectrophotometry technology. The pulse oximeter displays the SpO2%, vascular waveform, and heart rate. The photoelectrical plethysmography is the signal processing analysis of the waveform output of the oximeter, and provides hemodynamic indicators. The heart rate variability is the signal processing analysis of the time variation of the heart rate output, and provide indicators about the autonomic nervous system activity. The bioimpedance in bipolar mode and very low frequency provides living tissue indicators such as ATP mitochondrial production and extracellular morphology. These two parameters could be used to screen the living tissue damage, such inflammatory process, ischemia and hypoxia. This technology was described in many peer reviews, and validated by clinical investigations. Signal processing analysis for the bioimpedance in tetrapolar mode, with a mono frequency of 50 kHz following the sending of weak intensity, through active tactile electrodes. The sensor measures the resistance, and the reactance, between two other passive tactile electrodes, and provides estimated body composition parameters, from the peer review's algorithms. Results of the LD medical products. The table display the SpO2%, which can be used in screening of emergency situations. The hemodynamic indicators, which can be used in cardiovascular treatment plan management support, and in treatment follow-up. And as the main regulatory mechanisms response to dysfunction or disease. The heart rate variability, HRV, analysis, is the gold standard to estimate the autonomic nervous system. The HRV table provides indicators from sympathetic system and parasympathetic system. The autonomic nervous system indicators could be used to estimate the stress and its consequences, and in drug side effects. The bioimpedance in bipolar mode provides the living tissue damage, such inflammatory process, ischemia and hypoxia, from the two indicators, ATP production, and extracellular space. The BIA results are displayed in three parts: general distribution, body composition analysis, and the obesity evaluation. The body composition analysis is including the fat-free mass, the fat mass, the total body water, the extracellular water and the intracellular water. The healthcare software solution is an electronic medical records to manage, to model, and to cross-analyze, the LD medical products results, and to evaluate the signs, symptoms, dysfunctions or diseases, from the homeostasis process, which is another way, in adjunct to the lab's tests and imagery. Peer reviews and clinical investigations of the spectrophotometry and bioimpedance technologies are available on request to the website www.ldtech.com. LD Medical Products and Company Certification. Thank you for your time.